welcome back to the Witty Rider. Today we are going to the Hesarghetta Lake, which is one of the quickest destinations from Bangalore.
We started at 6 in the morning and this place, Hesarghetta, was totally 45 kilometers from our home. It was a no rush but a relaxed ride, and we were just the three of us who wanted to spend a lazy Sunday together. And then when we finished crossing the city, the way and the roads, we swear, was super refreshing and never ending. And what we thought would be a lazy Sunday didn't seem to be a lazy one at all for the residents of this locality, as they were all indulged in cycling, walking, jogging, and why not? The place certainly is so powerful that it seems impossible to ignore it in any way. The way to the lake is just beside an arch, but we were misled and entered the way through the arch only to discover this dreamy wonderland. Though it looked isolated, it was not. This place and us had a mutual connect of not letting each other go, and anyway we were not in a rush, so we stayed back for some time creating memories. After enjoying this beautiful distraction, we got back on track. We have included the link for the right direction for the lake in the description box for your reference, but use the link only after you have experienced this fabulous deviation. So this lake has a park similar to the other lakes in the city, except that it has a temple. And there will be this bridge you gotta cross, which is visible from the main road, which will lead you to the pathway dividing the park from the lake. Unfortunately, there was extremely less water in the lake and it was really disappointing for us initially. We got a chance to interact with the localites who told us that the only source of water to fill up this lake is the rainwater. So the ideal time to visit this place would be immediately after monsoons. But believe it or not, this place still was an art of nature, and that's how beautiful this place is. Here's the complete view of the Hesarghetta Lake just for you guys. And because there was less water, this place looked like a Greenland, and there were many spread across this place having a get-to, picnic, me time, family time. Also, there is a village nearby called Nityagram. It's a dance village. It's India's first modern Gurukul and is a one-of-a-kind community where dance is a way of life. There are casual and guided tour, but it's currently closed. Just check their website for timings and appointments before visiting. We could not explore, but whoever knows about this cultural place, do let us know in the comment section. And that's all we had for you guys on today's episode. Stay tuned to the Witty Rider as there are too many exciting videos coming your way. So see you all soon. Until then, take care.